So over here, I am in the home page and I can see the websites that I made right here. If I want to go ahead and preview them, then I can simply go ahead and click on preview right here. And you can scan the QR code to actually go ahead and preview it in your mobile phone or click on desktop for it to open up a link. And once you do that, you will be able to see your website right here that you have made just like this. And if I were to go ahead and then go around over here, and let's say, for example, get out of the full screen, you can see that the website is actually responsive right here. You got the multiple pages around over here as well and so forth that you can go ahead and work around. So when you click on the preview button, what also may happen is that you may have to re-log in, which is normal. And once you re-log in for further previews, you can simply go ahead and preview out your websites just like this. So now what you can also do is, let's say, for example, if you were to go around over here inside of edit, then you will be able to go ahead and access the preview option from inside as well. So you can see that it is getting things ready right here just like this. And this is the website that I have. So now if I were to go around and click on preview right here, you get the same option as you can see, and you can simply go ahead and click right here, and then you will be redirected onto the website so you can actually see how the website looks and will function like. And that is how you can go ahead and preview out website that you've made inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.